Alright, now we have our pieces cut. This is the basic shape. Here, I gotta put this one back on, clean it up, get ready for this piece. But after this is all said and done, this ought to fit right together. There's really not much I gotta do to this other than sanding and shape up the bottom and start making my hole. Right here in this area, I'll probably make my hole and then I'll set it on the lathe and we'll clean it up and get ready for the cap. Alright, the lid has been done. It is all ready to go. Next up is this bad boy, and she's going to be shaped up. I'll show you what that's all about here in just a second. Alright, here's this piece. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it on the belt sander, sand that down, and start making the jar. Alright, now I got the jar cut out. I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah, now I'm just running sandpaper on it, doing all the sanding. This is 80 grit to start, and then what I'm gonna do is go over to some slightly finer grit, which I've got sitting around here somewhere. Here's some 120. Running some final touches. On the cap with some sandpaper here. Now finally we have the finished product, the jar. The lid fits. Just put that on there and there she is. A little bit of adjusting on the lid, but I think she'll do. I think she'll do. That's it, guys. That's a coin jar. Don't forget, if you like this type of material, to go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, because there will certainly be a whole lot more videos where these came from. They will get better over time, so I apologize for the bad quality, but yeah, go ahead and have a nice day, guys.